You're not gonna believe this, but this is kind of a crazy little hack I came upon. If you're a parent, this one is for you. These boots, I mean, they look brand new. They actually are brand new. I got these for my kid, the original little peso. Super fire. These are, as you can see, like random, no brand name, but they're from Primark. I don't know if you know about Primark. I think they're all on the East Coast, New Jersey, Virginia, Florida, etc., etc. But Primark is dope. Mainly, I go to Primark for clothes, but they also have insane footwear. These some random boots. I thought they were super fly. They were like $15. You look at the quality of these are sick. But the craziest thing, forget these. I like these. My son, for some reason, didn't wear them. Fire. But they have the crazy collab Spider-Man, all the insane, you know, Dora the Explorer, blah, blah, blah. And they stay crazy cheap. I think they're made in China. Yeah, these are made in China. I don't know how they do it. They have the fire clothes, insane bags, accessories. Like I said, these boots are crazy. Kid never wore them, so I'm going to send them to my subscribers. If you want a pair of my random sneakers, boots, things I don't need anymore, just like you saw, I gave a pair away to my man B Money. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what's going on. But again, Primark is the spot. If you're on the East Coast, you got to find you one of these Primark. They got the crazy boots, crazy sneakers, collabs, clothes, bags, anything you could think of, jewelry, and the prices are crazy. And this ain't sponsored. I just realized I was going to send these boots out and I figured I'd just give you the heads up. Holla at me.